2 p.m. wanted sa radyo. 9:30 p.m. mag-budget tayo. 12 p.m. 1 Balita Pilipinas. Ed Phelan at DJ Chacha sa Radyo 5. 6 a.m. Ted Phelan at DJ Chacha sa Radyo 5. "5:30 p.m. sa totoo lang. 10:45 p.m. TikToks. 1 p.m. Christy Ferminit. 8 a.m. Power at Play. 1 p.m. Alagang Kapatid. 4 p.m. Julius at Tintin para sa pamilyang Pilipino. 6:15 p.m. 1 Balita Ngayon. 10 a.m. Inay ko po. 7 a.m. Masaganang Buhay. 9 a.m. Chink Positive. 11:45 p.m. Feelings. 6 p.m. 1 Balita Weekend.